Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, none of my hands are on the camera. Not that they're free because I'm holding precious cargo. Why do I have a team today? Is it because I'm a professional girl now? Well, actually I wanted both my hands free because I have been invited. We have been invited to a very special guest house. He is a very cool actor, a very cool guy in general, and sometimes he likes to eat people's chappals. Neil,
Yeah,
why do you like eating people's chappals?
not me.
Oh, sorry, Loki.
Loki.
Why do you like eating people's chappals?
Loki, bol.
It's declined to comment.
Whoa!
Should you scared?
This is the place where generally Loki sleeps. मतलब ये उसका घर है, kind of the space.
हाँ.
He chose this when we bought this bed. वो यहाँ से कैसा TV भी देख सकता है. फिर यहाँ
Oh,
पे
he watches TV.
हाँ, with dad sits on the sofa watching TV. He looks at the kitchen from here.
Right.
यहाँ से वो सब देख सकता है कौन कहाँ पे है, कौन खाना ला रहा है, नहीं ला रहा
Yeah,
है.
proper
That's his-
chowkidari.
yeah.
This
Yeah.
one was when he first came.
He was 40 or 45 days old, and he used to literally fit under the sofa.
Really?
Like it's the same sofa.
Oh.
He was this tiny. वो एक ना मेरे बचपन में एक टॉय आता था. The dog used to bark, एक jump करता था.
हाँ.
तो वो same size का था, this much.
He looks like a stuffed toy.
That photo where Shreya and
Yeah.
my photo is there with Loki. That is also I guess the same day which I
But
clicked
that
here.
time you were still scared.
That time had spent like 20 days, 25 days with him. So I started
jata.
holding him
Oh my god.
and we clicked a picture.
And then you all have tied his ears up.
Because
That's so
yeah,
cute.
that's the beagle problem.
Yeah.
Because उनका ears बड़ा लंबा
हाँ.
होता है. Because उसका मुंह तभी छोटा था.
You
so
can
we
tell.
started tying his like very
Ears.
light bow, hair bow
Very
on his ear, Why? So that he can eat peacefully.
You can tell the bowl is bigger than him.
And this is the recent photo of my birthday.
Yeah.
Now he's dad's favorite.
Of
Like,
course,
a
yeah.
lot. So dad used to keep giving him stuff. खा लेगा, अरे मेरा बेटा करी. तो उनको हम लोग को समझाना पड़ा कि don't give everything what you eat.
Yeah.
It has to be very healthy.
Yeah.
There are certain food
For
you have to
dogs,
give for
yeah.
dogs. Because he used to stand like this whenever someone is eating in the house. He's like, और फिर आँखों में innocence.
Yeah.
और फिर वो ऐसा थोड़ा पानी, फिर ऐसा लगता है कि यार, फिर उनको unlearn करना पड़ा.
You know, my dad, we have to keep उनका खाना उनके प्लेट पे होता है और बाजू में वो पेडिग्री का जर्की रखते हैं. तो he'll eat one bite of his food, then he'll break that jerky and give it to Sushi because he's like, I'm not eating अगर Sushi को खाना नहीं मिल रहा है. So now this is our compromise that we have made. But dads and dogs needs to be
It's a different-
studied. This is the perfect spot we have decided
Yeah.
location wise.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna revamp it for Loki because I want him to love me. Yeah.
I am excited and nervous as well.
If Loki doesn't like it, this is your new room and you have to see. Done.
Done.
I am gonna make Neil make some DIY stuff for Loki's new space.
I'm already doing it.
I know.
I'm
Sorry,
from art
sorry.
school. I can't control my hands right now.
I'm from Bakchodi school, so I'm gonna ask you questions. I wanna know first why Loki.
A lot of people misunderstand him as Loki, L-O-K-I,
Uh-huh.
the Marvel
Yeah,
character.
yeah.
It's not like that. It's Loki, L-O-W-K-E-Y. क्या नाम रखे, क्या करना चाहिए,
हाँ.
क्या बुलाए. Somewhere I don't know. After looking at him, I felt he's low-key in general.
Yeah.
Now also if you see, for a beagle, he's
He's
very
very
calm.
low-key,
And
yeah.
he's very low-key and he's low-key cool, low-key smart as well. He'll act जैसे कि मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है, मुझे यहाँ से लेके चलो, मैं और नहीं चलना चाहता, मुझे और मत चलाओ. अरे बहुत डर रहा है करके अपने घर पे आते. वो स्मार्टनेस और घर पे आते ही वो 10 बार कूदेगा.
Shana.
It doesn't have the energy. ऐसा दिखाता है कि अभी मैं बहुत थक गया हूँ. ऐसा करेगा तो भी हम लोग डर जाते हैं ना कि इसको क्या हुआ, इतना
Yeah, इसको लेके जाते हैं. Too
And also
good.
it sounds cool. मुझे बहुत वो
It's-
तभी
It is cool.
बुलाने की वो लोकी.
What are his nicknames?
Dad calls him बेटा.
तुमको ऐसे बुलाया कभी डैड
कभी
ने?
नहीं.
Hey.
जितना लोकी को प्यार किया ना, उतना मेरे को कभी किया भी नहीं डैड ने प्यार. मतलब मैंने कभी डैड को किसी को प्यार करते हुए इतना देखा नहीं जितना
He
लोकी को
feels like a
देखा.
dada.
Yes.
Yeah. Like if I ask Loki this question कि नील तुम्हारा कौन लगता है? What will he say?
मैं वो हूँ जो जिसका वो सुनता है जब वो किसी का नहीं सुनता.
अच्छा.
You're getting that? जैसे अभी थोड़ी
Yeah,
देर
like
पहले
guest
शूट के पहले
appearance.
तुम लोग को आवाज आ रहेगा अंदर से बहुत बड़ा वाला, वो मैं ही था क्योंकि उसने काटना चालू कर दिया था वाइफ को, तो मैंने जोर से चिल्ला कि बस स्टॉप, तो वो स्टॉप हो जाता है.
Loki cool.
लोकी कूल.
Do you think like if Loki was a content creator, what genre of content would he do?
ऐसे क्रिएटर्स है ना वो जो खाली रोड रैश कंटेंट बनाते हैं या झगड़े वाले कंटेंट बनाते हैं, उस टाइप का होता है.
Oh,
वाह, वो एक्चुअली में कुछ नहीं.
नहीं, it's like hold me back, hold me back.
फुल दादागिरी, बट जैसे ऑफलाइन ओके आई एम सॉरी हाय.
If there was an apocalypse and Loki could only take one thing from the house, what is that one thing जो उसको इतना attachment है कि वो ले लेगा?
I guess the floor mat.
The floor
of the
mat
bathroom.
of the bathroom.
He loves that. Whenever I am home and I'm sitting here, he'll go to that bathroom, get that floor mat, bring that to us.
हाँ.
And उसका एक ही गेम है, जैसे tug of war होता है ना, with his mouth he'll pass that
Yeah.
floor mat, then you hold it, and you have to keep pulling, then he'll keep pulling.
Too good.
That's the game.
Yeah.
So
Do
I
you
think
think
that
he's
is
playing the game for you or for himself?
for himself.
For himself.
We are just something,
Just there.
an object. You just
Yeah.
hold this. It's like that for him.
खेलना है मुझे अभी.
खेलने हैं मुझे.
You know what I really love about pets? You give them the same food every day.
Yeah.
And they get so excited every single time. Like Sushi's been eating the pedigree ka kibble since he was able to eat. He's eating that, and every time during meal time, you know, if I pass that place also in my kitchen, he starts like getting excited.
Yeah.
And I'm like, you've tried it. You know what it tastes like. Why are you jumping
They're
so
just
hard?
excited to eat.
I'm doing a great job. Huh? I could have
Yeah.
gotten into art school.
Nice.
Yeah.
The cards you have done very nice.
If Loki had to be named anything else, what would it be? Why not like Babu Rao Apte or something like that?
See, this is a very stereotypical way of thinking
Yeah.
of a Maharashtrian
Yes.
way. But
Inspector
also
Guy
non-Maharashtrian. Yeah. Shinde. People who are non-Maharashtrian, they like call a Maharashtrian guy, Are Bhau. We in between us, we never say each other Bhau.
Oh.
But I don't know, everyone thinks calling
Dada.
Bhau makes it, Dada is fine.
I'm so
But they
Bombay.
say-
It's crazy.
So yeah, Dada is fine.
Bang bang. All right. Up. Good job. Good job, my little circus monkey. The thing with Sushi is he doesn't really do anything till he sees a treat, and then he'll do whatever we ask him to. Amazing. What tricks do you want to teach him?
Stop. First of all, whatever he's doing, just stop. Because he goes crazy sometimes and he can do anything. Unexpected things he
and
does.
तुम्हें थोड़ा डर लगता है तो statue.
No, and he jumps directly on the
Stomach,
person's stomach. Like his height is not that big, but
yeah.
still he'll
Yeah.
jump on someone like that and starts roaming around his legs and वैसा. तो because chill, calm down. But eventually, after a minute or two, he calms down.
I love boys talking about their pets because you're literally like so pooky right now. You're like blushing and all, and you're just thinking about your pet. It's damn cute. Will you hang this outside?
Yes.
Do you want a
Nice.
better one that production has already painted? I won't feel bad.
No, this is nice.
No, I won't feel
This is
bad. I
cute.
promise.
Unless and until Loki के मुंह में नहीं जाता ये, तब तक ये ठीक है.
नहीं जाएगा,
वो
नहीं
तो
That's a snack for him.
Yeah,
no,
yeah.
we have actual snacks for him. We have
Yeah.
pedigree kibble. Oh, hello.
Oh, hi.
Loki, we're doing all this for you. Can you give me little attention? That
No,
was
do
a
you have food in
no.
hand and no attention?
That
Sorry.
was a no, a resounding no. And Sushi has also gotten offended. I managed to offend 2 dogs in 2 minutes. If Loki
Yeah.
had to start a fight club, what would rule number 1 be?
Rule number 1, have food and then come for the fight. That is what I
fair.
feel.
And if some actor had to play Loki in a biopic about his life.
Actor.
Yeah.
Loki का कौन होता है?
Who's like a Loki actor?
Someone
I'm
like
thinking like a Aditya Roy Kapoor. Both handsome.
yeah,
both
Aditya Roy
low-key.
Kapoor is good
Yeah.
because he's very low key at the same time.
Yeah.
He's smart, he's dashing.
Good eyes.
Yeah.
Loki has good eyes.
Same like my personality, but yeah.
Yeah, literally. Y'all are in the same casting pool also now. If Loki had to pick a friend of yours कि मुझे ये होना चाहिए, मुझे
हाँ.
यहाँ पे नहीं रहना है, just Neil things के साथ,
हाँ.
who would he pick?
Surely you, because he'll be like, अरे चलो यार मुझे podcast में feature होने मिलता है. I get to roam so many places because Loki doesn't get to go out a lot like Sushi gets out. Only when we are going for a villa trip or for
a villa trip.
or somewhere near beach side, we take him along.
Okay.
Not on a daily basis,
Just by the
but
way,
he roams around with you for a
because
very,
it's
very
called Garibi. I don't have a pet sitter. I'm alone at home.
I also don't have a pet sitter, but I have dad.
Okay, now you have family and a dog. Must be nice.
Yeah.
Are you flexing on me? You called me to
No,
Thane
this is
to
your
flex
sign
on
to get
me.
married soon.
To who? You find me a guy.
Just do one thing. Find 2-3 boys from any apps.
Yeah.
Do a swayamvar on the basis of who Sushi will go and select. Sushi selects a boy.
What if he doesn't go with me? I'm scared. I'll have to
Now
marry
you
myself.
You have to be little bit of optimistic, no? ये
Now
क्या है?
it's
ये करते
the
हैं ना कुछ?
Finishing touch, basically उसका घर बनाना है ना, तो
हाँ,
उसको
क्या
थोड़ा
करना है?
privacy
Okay.
भी चाहिए ना.
Correct.
अच्छा, rapid fire while we put this.
अरे
Okay?
यार, okay fine, चलो. एक तू task मुझे hard करती जा रही है यार.
Next time you have to stand on your head and do this.
No.
That's the next level. Okay, who loves whom more, you or Loki?
I love Loki.
And who fell in love first?
Me only.
And would Loki still spend time in your room if Shreya was not there?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
He will leave. Because I'm always editing or there are a lot of gears here and there in my room.
Yeah.
So he's always searching कि इतना सब सामान है कुछ तो इसमें खाने में रहेगा.
सबसे महंगा क्या है मैं वो खा लेता. And who sleeps more? You
Me
or
or Loki? Loki sleeps more.
who eats more?
Loki.
Yeah,
Loki, me
fair.
also.
Who is more grumpy?
No, I'm not grumpy. My wife is more grumpy, but here Loki is more grumpier than me.
Just threw her under the bus for no reason.
No, she is more grumpy.
And who is most likely to get a midnight snack? Yes, my love.
Midnight snacks, we both. Loki is always ready for a snack.
Who wakes up first? You or Loki?
Loki wakes up first.
Yeah.
Because he wakes up with that is 6 a.m.
Oh,
I
morning
want to ask
person.
you one question.
Ask.
Does Sushi love you more or you love Sushi more?
I love sushi more for sure.
You don't feel loved back from him?
No, and I'm really like, I know I'm his treat dispenser.
Yeah.
Okay, if there's a treat in my hand, I'm the loveliest person in the world for him. If I'm ready to take him for a walk, I'm a 10 on 10 person. But if you take those things away, like my dad doesn't do anything or walks or anything with Sushi, na? So Sushi doesn't even say hi to him when he enters a room. Like I'm telling you, he's one matlabi dog. I know it because he's like me. Matlabi.
Once I saw a reel, the beagle, there was a couple, they were hugging, and beagle was right behind them, and the beagle did like this and said like this. I showed that reel to Loki. See, do something like this. ये तो ट्रीट देख के भी नहीं सीखेगा वो, ऐसा है वो.
ट्रीट देख के सुशी सब सीख जाता है, नाचने लगता है, सब ट्रिक्स देगा मेरे को.
Yeah, he can stand on 2 legs. I saw.
Yeah.
Abhi bhi
He
did
does
that.
everything for
Nice.
one treat. You sit like a good boy while I give you some. Yes, you will. Stop looking so cute. Bus. He can't eat more. He's only 7 kilos. My goal weight. For real. Go. Obviously, Loki also got treats, but his biggest treat today is not the pedigree ones. It is this amazing corner that we have set up for him. Honestly, this could be my home and I would not even flinch. But it doesn't matter what I think. It matters what Loki thinks. So let's find out. Tell me this isn't amazing.
Wow.
This is bigger than my room in Bandra. Loki has such good aesthetic sense. Finishing touch.
Oh, lighting and all.
This is the light I like for Loki. It's very Loki.
Oh, very soft.
I am going to teach Neil how to become a pro at making your dog work by being an amazing model. As you can see, I have the pedigree tasty jerky in my hand. You have to hold it like this, Neil. You have to...
How?
Sushi.
Loki, come here.
See?
Okay.
Okay.
Come.
The thing about having rich parents is you've never had to work. Sushi has to earn his income one reel at a time. Maybe one day I will be less middle class.
Good boy.
Loki, you know what? You're perfect just the way you are. You don't have to learn anything.
Arey?
Oh!
Oh,
Oh!
entering the new house. He's checking the house.
Ooh, he's liking it. I've made it with a lot of love, so he can't reject it. Low-key hurtful. Thank you so much, Neil, for joining me on this fun episode. Did you have fun?
Yes,
Yeah.
I had a lot of fun, and Loki also.
That's what I thought. Make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and all that jazz.
Please subscribe, guys.
And
Wagera.
remember that everybody is beautiful, especially us.
बन गया. अच्छा, sorry. Bye.
Stay tuned for the next episode.